All right, loading up. We're going camping tonight with some friends. We're going camping. So I got the tent, just a cheap old tent. It's the second time actually camping, so it's a little hot than the last time we went, but it'll be fine. So I got the chairs, tent, loading up our camper mattresses. But what's cool is they're twin size, like camper twins. We got two of them, so that's our bed. So we're gonna go camping tonight, and tomorrow we're actually gonna go up and ride in Tellico. So it should be a fun weekend. I'll video what I can. Let me get loaded up and I'll come back to you. All loaded up over here, waiting on them to pack up. Carson found the chickens. Hey, Carson, what are those? You see the chickens? Get the chicken. Oh, you eat their children. This is what chicken nuggets come from.
Hello everyone, I'm Anna, Logan's wife. This is a spot I used to come when I was little. It's beautiful out here. We got our tent set up and baby Carson coming over. Logan with the baby and the doggy. Anna, Gavin, and Christopher is over here, right there. You coming down, baby? Come on. We got us a little fire going. You coming in the water? Come on. Oh, my girl wants to go in the water, so that's where we're gonna take her. My little water baby. Stay tuned for more. We are on the way to Tellico, everyone. Logan got the kids. Probably can't see that far, but we're on the way. We'll keep y'all updated.
This much. It comes up like this much.
Finally made it to Tellico. We're here with the game. Just gotta unplug the phone. Doing burnouts while we're waiting for the red light. Keep y'all updated. Well, everybody, we made it up in Tellico. There's the water. We're just getting started. Keep you updated as we go. Got anything to say?
Nope.
Alrighty.
All right, so I don't know how much we filmed of being in Tellico. It really wasn't hard or anything. It wasn't at all what we were expecting, so we just kind of enjoyed the easy ride instead of trying to film everything. So I'm not even sure what all we filmed, but it's actually the next weekend, and we're back out here camping. This time we're in G Creek. Found a little spot here. It doesn't say anything about no camping or nothing, and there's been fires here before. So I got the fire going. I dropped Anna off at work. I got the kids. So we're gonna go ahead and set up a camp. That way when she gets off, I go pick her up and we come back out here and camp. Michael's coming with us. Get out of there. Come back this way. We got a nice spot by the creek. Kids can get in and swim. And there's a bridge right over here we can jump off of as long as it's deep enough. It looks like it is in some spots. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. I got my hammock already up. But I'm gonna put the tent, try to move some of this, put the tent up right here. And Michael is gonna hammock sleep, so we'll probably put him on the tree as well. We might be able to do that. Don't know yet, because there's not really a good spot. But we'll figure something out. So I got the kids out. Let me get set up and I'll get back with you. All right, got everything set up, got the tent up, everything in it, chairs, hammock. I got the strap for when Michael gets here, we can hang his up. Now it's just time to hang out until it's time to go pick up Mama, huh? You having fun? What you say, little man? What you doing? You having fun? Oh goodness. Jump rope. Jump rope. Jump rope.
There's my little turkey, man. And there's Carson and Dada. And there's Remington.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, don't get my fat rolls.
It's videoed. Get zoomed in here. Oh wow, that's really zoomed in. Second night, right?
Mm-hmm.
Having fun?
Mm-hmm.
You lying? You sure? I feel like you're lying. Get off of the tent, woman.